Hey, Luna. Guess who's in my chair again? You're in my chair. You're in my chair. It's okay, I've got a special treat for you. You're gonna like this. Okay. You ready? What is this? What is this? Oh. Sorry, I was supposed to sing. When I was saying what is this, I was supposed to be singing that. Okay. What's new, Pussycat? What's new, Pussycat? What's new, Pussycat? Please, Pussycat, Pussycat, I've got flowers and lots of hours to spend with you. So go and Pussycat knows. Pussycat, Pussycat, I love you. Yeah, I think that's wrong. Do you and your pussycat knows? What's new, Pussycat? What? Oh, I should let them do that. What's new, Pussycat? Yeah. What's new, I keep on getting this wrong. Pussycat, Pussycat, I've got cat food and lots of rat food for you to eat. So go and visit. Pussycat knows. Stay, you gotta hear this. Pussycat, Pussycat, let's stay, you gotta hear this. Gotta hear the Pussycat song. Let's do you and your Pussycat knows. That's all I know. And hey, go. Fine. Got me my chair back.